होता है ये गोपियां जो है कृष्ण की नहीं है। उस गोपियां के कौन थी? परस्त्री और नाम भी मतलब तीनों भी प्राय जरूर होते हैं। एक मेरे समझ में नहीं आ रही, जो भगवान धर्म स्थापन करने के संसार में आते हैं दुष्ट के दंड देने के लिए, क्या परस्त्री अभिमर्शन दूसरी स्त्रियों के प्रति कुदृष्टि रखना, उनके साथ निर्जन स्थान में रह कर विलास करना, क्या यह अधर्म नहीं है? अभिप्राय ये मेरे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, ये मेरे संशय हो रहे ये भगवान आप मेरे संशय को जो है आप कुछ कराइए। सबसे बड़ी बात है ये, जिस कार्य के भगवान आते हैं, हम लोग आदि ने श्रवण किया, इस श्रवण के निष्कर्ष क्या है?
So we have heard just beautiful katha from Maharaj Maharaji. So now we are coming to the conclusion that what is the conclusion here actually? Because whatever the pastimes of Bhagwan, which is the topmost Leela, Ras Leela. So no one in this world who doesn't want to, no one is in this world who doesn't want to hear the Ras Leela Katha. This is very sweet pastime. Jaya Jaya Jolarasa Sarvasara Parkya Bhaveja Vijati Prachar. So this is the topmost beautiful pastimes of Krishna. And this Parkya Bhav is nowhere except Raj. This Parkya Leela, you cannot find it anywhere except Raj. So out of the Vrajas means by going to Ayodhya, Dwarika, Mathura, it's not there. So in the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is describing Krishna from Golok Vrindavan Dham, and he descends on this earth, and whatever the Leela he performs here. So you have heard already Anugraya Bhaktanam. So it is clearly mentioned by the shloka. Nobody has bad eyes there. No. In the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, it is transcendental Dham. No, but nobody has bad eyes there for the ladies, because there is no effect of Maya there. Bhagwan Shri Hari and his Dham, his abode, is beyond the Maya. And whatever the activities is happening there, so if you are doing anything in your house, so no problem. But if you are doing something from out of your house, so you have to be in limitation and dignity. So it is lockdown nowadays, so whatever you do in your house after keeping the doors shut, so but if you are going outside, so you have to take care of yourself. You have to follow the administrations. So in this way, in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, Bhagwan performed the Ras Leela with the Parkya Bhav. But whatever the Katha you have told, that Krishna with the other ladies, he has done this kinds of Leelas. So hearing this, my heart is getting disturbed. So this is not the doubt of Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj is asking to Shukdev Goswami. Actually, there is so Parikshit Maharaj doesn't have any doubts. So there are many kinds of peoples came into the court or assembly of Parikshit Maharaj. So targeting all of them, Parikshit Maharaj arise these questions. Parikshit Maharaj doesn't have any kinds of doubt in his mind. So after Sukdev Goswami, after describing this katha, so he little bit keep quiet himself for a moment. He was stunned for a while. He said that I have already told you this katha. Maybe you didn't heard very properly, attentively. That's why you are getting these questions in your mind, because the katha vachak, the speakers, whatever the katha they are speaking, if the listeners listen that properly, so they will not get any kinds of doubt. We are not listening properly. That's why we are getting doubts. There are three kinds of listener: sarota, sota, and shrota, who comes and sleep in the katha. When the katha starts, and they sleep. So they are called the sleeping listeners. And some kinds of people they comes into the katha. They used to take the beads back and chant. They neither they listen katha nor they make the other people's listen. So they used to come in the katha and talk about their home and all things. And when the katha ends, so they used to say Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Oh Maharaj, very nice katha was there. What was the katha? No, I don't know. If you try to understand, then you will understand, no? But you were not here for listening Hari Katha. And the third one is Shrota, the listener, who always listen even a single words of Hari Katha. So in this context of Parikshit Maharaj, so Sukdev Goswami Pad said, Hey Parikshit, look, Bhagwan did beautiful pastime. Just hear that those leelas only. That's why I told you who are doing this kinds of ras leela. In the starting, I have already told you, in the 10th canto, 29th chapter to 33 chapters, this is called Ras Panchayadhyay, which is Panch Prana. Just like in our body, we have 5 kinds of life, prana in our body. In the same way, Krishna Katha. So Krishna Katha, the Ras Leela, it is called the Panch Prana of Bhagavatam. So before starting the Ras Leela, I have told you who is doing the Ras, who is going to do Ras. So who is going to do Ras? Bhagavan. Bhagavan himself is going to do Ras. So one by one, if we explain one verse, so it's beautiful. Who is Bhagavan? So the simple definition of Bhagavan is, which is who knows about the creation and restoration. So this is a general view. And what is the meaning of Bhagavan? Aishwarasya Veerasya Samagrasya Yash. So he is Bhagavan. It is explained by Parashar Muni. He has lots of opulences. Chit Jagat, Jeev Jagat, Mai Jagat. So these all are the opulences of Bhagavan. He is so powerful. Brahma and other big devtas who are paying obeisances in the feet of him, he is Bhagavan. In the Bhagavatam, it is described very nicely. It is not ordinary things. Brahma, Shiva, and Narad and other big devtas who are doing Dandavat Pranam to the Bhagavan and doing the Istavastuti. Shri means Saundarya, the beautifulness, who has so much beautiful form.
Dubai.
So one particle of his beautiful form can attract three bhuvan.
अधिक तो दूर की बात है उनके बराबर
So no one is equal to him. What to speak about his higher to them.
एक कौन त्रिभुवन दुबा
J Rupe Ekikant Tribhuvan Dubai, whose one form of his beautiful form, one particle of his beautiful form can
एक तरफ रख लीजिए
attract Tribhuvan.
एक तरफ तथापि बराबर नहीं होगा कितने
So if you compare the beautiful form of Krishna, that you can compare whole Brahmans, every Brahman's beauty one side and Krishna's beauty one side, they cannot be comparable.
कृष्ण माधुरी देवी वासुदेव को वासुदेव कृष्ण भी
So Vasudev Krishna himself was so much astonished after seeing the beautiful form of Krishna. Vasudev. So these are the Chatur view.
वासुदेव भगवान भी
Vasudev Bhagwan also, he was so much shocked after seeing the beautiful form of Brijen Nandan Shyam Sundar.
ऐश्वर्य यशस्वी ज्ञान और वैराग्य
And Gyan and
ज्ञान
Vairagya.
कितना
How much knowledge he has? So much deep knowledge.
जितने भी ज्ञान हो सकता है सब ज्ञान भी
So he is the origin of all kinds of knowledge.
क्या जड़ ज्ञान और प्राकृतिक ज्ञान
So whatever the knowledge is there, the Jad Gyan, this mic knowledge, the transcendental knowledge, every knowledge he has, whatever the Gyan we are speaking about, he is the origin. So Bhakti Siddhant Prabhupada also described these all things very nicely. So Bhagwan is the origin. And what to speak about Vairagya? Detachment. He is so much renounced. So doing everything, he is not doing everything, but still he is not attached from anything. So these all six qualities is in Krishna's in its fullest form. Krishna is the origin of all these six qualities. So who is doing this Leela? Bhagwan himself. He is doing the Ras Leela. And he is not an ordinary person. That's why it is said, Parikshit Maharaj, he said to Sukdev Goswami, Sukdev Goswami Pad said to Parikshit Maharaj, if some powerful person doing in this world anything, so he is no one seeing fault in him. Tejasyam api na doshaya. Yadi vratikramopi.
और इसमें धर्म व्यतिक्रम भी कई कर रहे हैं ऐसे तेजवान व्यक्ति भी बहुत प्रभावशाली व्यक्ति जथा बोलने उदाहरण दे रहे हैं
And he is giving you example.
इस प्रकार अग्नि में
Just like whatever you put into the fire,
सबको खा करके करके छाई को सोच के पवित्र रहता है
so still fire always pious, pure.
भगवान जो रास्ता
Fire never becomes impious, impure.
और दूसरी बात
And the second thing also listen.
भगवान जो गोपियों का प्रेम जहाँ आदि कर
So Bhagwan, who is doing the prem here with the gopis, they are not an ordinary ladies.
मास चंद्र पंचभूतिक
They are not the five elements body.
ये साक्षात भगवान के जो स्वरूप सिद्धि के एक मानो
They are the manifestation of Sarup Siddhi, Radha, Lalita and Vishaka. They are the manifestation of Bhagwan. They all are the manifestation of Sajidananda Krishna. So they all are the Kaya view of Radha Rani. And the same Radhaji, for giving the pleasure to Krishna, she has manifested herself in so many forms. Bahu Kaitha Minanai Rasidullas. If there are so many kantas, so many gopis, so there is no enjoyment in the ras. And that's why Srimati Radhika, even Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. But still, for giving the pleasure to Krishna, she has manifested herself in so many forms. And she has manifested so many kinds of ras. And all the sources all the mellows coming from where? From Radhika Rani. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, first shloka, it is mentioned, Janmadasya Tonvaya Drita. Adiras, the origin of all kinds of mellows is coming from Srimati Radhika Rani. Haladini Shakti. Radhika. Janmadasya Tonvaya Drita. What is the meaning here actually? So all the gopis are the potency of Krishnas. Because many people doesn't have any knowledge, they don't have any knowledge of Tattva Gyan, so they are saying rubbish things. Krishna has many powers, but three powers is so prominent: Maya Shakti, Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti, and Maya Shakti. Maya Shakti, by the Maya Shakti he has manifested this Mike Jagat, by the Jeev Shakti he has manifested so many Jivas, and by the Chit Shakti he has manifested the transcendental world, the Chit Jagat. And there is one is Swarup Shakti. And there are, the Swarup Shakti has three kinds of vritti, tendencies: Samvit, Haladini, Samvit, Chit. And so Haladini means the same Srimati Radhika Rani. For giving the pleasure to Krishna, the Radhika Rani manifested herself in so many forms. So who is doing the Ras? Krishna. Krishna is doing the Ras for his power. So Krishna is performing the Ras with his powers, with his potency. Just like the little child, if he so just like a child, he hold one sticks and goes round around that, goes round, and seeing his shadow, he is playing with that. In the same way, Krishna, all the potency of Krishna is all the gopis are the potency of Krishna. So in the same way, Krishna is playing with his potency, with his shadow. Because Bhagwan is Anandamay. So he is giving the relishing, he is giving the anand. So it is not the kam krida, the sexual things of the ladies and gents. Just like externally we are saying this is the kam krida, just the sexual things, but it still actually is not like that. It is just a love. So externally we are seeing kam dhatu, the Vasna means it is coming from kam dhatu, which is called Vasna. So Bhagwan, he is Atmaram Aptakam. So how he is performing this kinds of Leela? So the unadhikari, who doesn't have right, who doesn't have any kinds of tattva gyan, and if he goes to listen the ras leela, so what happened? Just like you are making the sweet rice in a big kadhai, in a big pot. So in the same way, there is so much sweet rice is cooking in a big pot. So in the same way, the ants is going into that pot for eating that sweet rice. So they will die. In the same way, if the anadhikari person who doesn't have right and he directly goes to the listening ras katha, this ras katha, so he will die. So who doesn't have any kinds of tattva gyan, he directly enter into the ras leela, so he will die. पानी की बोतल बनाओ, तेरे में ट्रांसलेट कर गुरुदेव का पानी की बोतल।
मूर्खता ऐसी करने से तो होते हो गई है। शिवत्व प्राप्ति नहीं करके कोई विष पान करने के लिए प्रयास करे, विष पान कर ली, उसकी मृत्यु को संभावित है। जैसे मैंने उदाहरण दिया,
like how I gave the example, one should be fixed on tattva. Without knowing tattva, hearing here and there and coming to the conclusion is not good. Slowly you should enter into the tattva. You should know the
और एक कथा
tattva.
सुनाया, देखो जिनके
One more
नाम
story.
लेते ही, सब पाप से मुक्त हो जाता है।
By whose name all the sins will go away.
नाम लेते ही बाबा सिंधु सुखाई, तुलसीदास जी का है।
Even Tulsidas says,
भगवान के नाम लेने के साथ
by taking the Lord's name,
और वो भी छोड़ दीजिए, अजामिल
the ocean of material,
केवल अपने बेटा को
the material ocean will also get dried up. And Ajamil, he kept his name, he kept his son's name as Narayan. And at the time of death, he chanted Narayan's name, his son's name, Narayan's name, and he got Vaikuntha.
भगवान की इज्जत है और ऐसे भगवान के पाप लगेगा क्या? श्रीमद् भागवत 3 श्लोकों के द्वारा
In Srimad Bhagavatam, 3 shlok, it has been evidenced.
इसमें तो बहुत सुंदर विचार दिखाया। इसलिए कहते हैं भगवान कृपा करके अनुग्रहाय
So,
भक्तानां
Bhagavan comes with mercy. Anugrahaya Bhaktanam Manusham Deham Ashrayat.
वो समस्त नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन धाम से इस जगत में प्रकट करा है।
Lord, with lot of mercy, he comes to this world, accepting the human body.
श्रवण करे, कीर्तन करे, स्मरण करे।
And all these things,
और बड़ी अवस्था में
with faith, we should hear. All the Harikatha we should hear in faith. We should do Kirtan and we should do Smaran with faith.
उस कथा को श्रवण करना ही चाहिए।
This Harikatha we should hear, compulsory hear.
दोष लगेगा।
If you don't hear, then it is a fault.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश यदि
When there is a Supreme Court Adesh, the Supreme Court has been ordered. And if you do not follow the Supreme Court's order, it is objection to the court, not following the court. So then you will be punishable. Same thing Lord says in Gita. This sadhu, how he is apicheto suduracharo, the most fallen person, the most sinful person. And if that person also, if hears my Harikatha, Ananya Bhav, with Ananya Bhav, so if that person also takes shelters of Lord Krishna, then I will remove all his faults and make him pure. So Lord is ordering, accept him as sadhu. Whom? Sudachari, one who is the most fallen person who has surrendered to Krishna. Even that person has to be accepted as sadhu. Krishna is telling this. Krishna is ordering. Why you should accept him as sadhu? Because he has ananya bhav to Krishna. So in this shlok it is, they are telling, it is Anugrahaya Bhaktana Manusham Deham Ashritam. Everyone should memorize this shlok. If anybody argue with you, then you can give evidence this shloka. How Lord came from the Sakshat Vrindavan to the Bhauma Vrindavan. He is so merciful. And he manifested all other Leelas, not only Ras Leela, all the Leelas. Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya, all Leelas. As per the adhikar of the Jeev. A person should submerge himself in Harikatha as per his adhikar. Bhagavat Parayan, Parayan, he is Parayan. Ashray. We should not do Anukaran, we should do Anusaran. Anukaran means imitation, Anusaran means following. Bhagavat Paran, Leela Paran, Anusaran.
अनुकरण कौन करता है?
Who will do anukaran? Monkey will do anukaran.
आप
Imitate.
जैसे करोगे वो ऐसे करेगा।
However you do, monkey will do like that only. Imitation.
एक व्यक्ति जब पेड़ के नीचे सो गए और उनके बाद 10, 20, 25 पेड़ टोपी, वो बंदर ने क्या कि सब टोपी को ले लिया और सब सिर पर लगा लिया। वो मुझे हाय हाय मैं क्या करूं? तो एक व्यक्ति ने कहा भाई किसी बंदर से टोपी वापस लेके उपाय करो, बोले तुम्हारे सिर पर जो टोपी है ना।
So one time Maharaj is telling a small story that one hat selling person slept under a tree and a monkey came and took all the hats and put it on his head. So how to take this out? Then the person made an idea and he took the hat and he started to remove in front of monkey, and monkey also started to do same. And by like this, one by one, the monkey made all the hats fall down, and the hat seller collected all the hats and went away. Anukaran, no, this is Anukaran. Bhagwan did ras and we also do ras. No, this is not good. This is Anukaran. We should do Anusaran. Parayan, Ayan means Ashray.
वो आश्रय भी कैसे है
Para Ayan.
ना? अनुसरण करना पड़ेगा।
We should do Ashray. How? By doing Anusaran, by following.
बहुत सूक्ष्म एक ही श्लोक की जो व्याख्या जो है कितने भी हमारे विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद वर्णन करते हैं। ऐसे भगवान की बात में लीला को जो है।
So all these things Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also gives in his Granth.
इसलिए रासलीला कोई साधारण नहीं।
Raslila is not so ordinary. Even in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu it is said.
लीला और प्रचार सही सब लीला को ही बजाते हैं लोग है मोक्ष कुछ बाबाजी लोग जाए कहते हैं
Some Babaji says Vaikuntadi means Vaikuntadi to Golok Vrindavan.
वृंदावन में नहीं है केवल प्रकट में
Only in Prakat Vrindavan it is there, not in Aprakat Golok Vrindavan.
चैतन्य स्पष्टीकरण कर दिए नहीं
Chaitanya Charitamrita gives evidence for this.
वही लीला स्वयं भगवान अपने जोग माया के द्वारा प्रकाश कराते
The Leela which he does in the Golok Vrindavan, Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, the same Leelas he is manifesting here in Bhumi Vrindavan also.
ऐसे नहीं वो लीला है उस पर आपका आप नहीं तो आपके छाया कहां से आएगा काया से तो छाया नहीं बनता है कोई बात दूसरी प्रकार से हो ये तो है मूल वस्तु है जो नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन धाम में उसमें लीला है.
So every Leela is performed in the Nitya Golokdham Vrindavan. So by the mercy of Bhagwan just bestow his mercy upon the Jivas. He just cancels all his Leelas from Golok to this material worlds. So the Parkit Leela is only in Golok Vrindavan. This is transcendental Leela this is the transcendental Leela. So Krishna is meeting with the gopis. This is not ordinary Leela. This is transcendental Leela. So the same Leela Bhagwan performed in this Bhulok also. So how Bhagwan is doing all the things? He is performing all the Leelas by the Yog Maya. Just like in a general form we have seen a lover and beloved is meeting with each other, and they are so much attracted towards each other in the same way, seeing their beauties. In the same way, Bhagwan Krishna, when he was performing this kinds of Leela, Gopis is saying that we are not aware with Krishna, and Krishna is not aware with us. So this is just like a human being in Leela. So by the Yog Maya, Bhagwan and Gopis are not aware. Do kam. So there are two qualities remains in Bhagwan and Mugdata. There are Sarvakita, he knows everything, and Mugdata, he doesn't know anything. This is two things, the two qualities always remains in Bhagwan simultaneously. Sarvakita and Mugdata. See these. So that's why Bhagwan performing this kinds of Leela with the gopis, because he knew everything, but by the Yog Maya and simultaneously he is not aware with them gopis. So all the souls are servant of Krishna, but we have this kinds of bodily conceptions. Some are giving their introduction like a boy, like a girl, ladies, gents. But actually all the jivas are the servant of Krishna. Jiver Sarup Hai Krishna Nityadas.
जीवेर स्वरूप है कृष्ण नित्य दास किंतु जड़ शरीर में
But we are in this mic body and we are attracted with this all material relationships, and we are introducing ourselves. I am gents, I am ladies, I am boy, I am girl, like this. But in the transcendental one, no one is like that.
गोपियां से कृष्ण की तरफ भगवती नहीं
And Gopi doesn't have this kinds of sense gratification with Krishna. Whatever the leelas gopis are doing with the Krishna, just for Krishna's pleasure,
और कुछ नहीं
nothing else.
ये भी विषय
They are doing everything for Krishna's pleasure. Just look at the view on your left. Just look at the view on your left.
ससुर वासना रहता है किंतु अपराधिक जगत में
But into the transcendental world, Gopi doesn't have any kinds of sense gratification. One and only, they are doing all kinds of leelas for Krishna's pleasure only. So whatever the activities gopis are doing, just because of Krishna's pleasure, only for Krishna's pleasure, nothing else, nothing else. It is described by many kinds of shlokas. So in this way, there are many kinds of leelas like Sakhya, Vatsalya, and Madhurya leelas. So Bhagwan is giving all kinds of leelas darshan in Vrindavan. That how Krishna is doing very sweet pastime with the sakhas, with his friends. And Ayodhya there is also Sakhyaras. I told you one day, just like Sugriv and other, Bhagwan had friendship. But still there is opulence, Aishwarya. That Sakhya is mixed with Aishwarya, opulences. And in Vrindavan, whatever the friendship Bhagwan have with Swal Shridham, it is pure Sakhya Bhav. There is no opulences there. Aishwarya means, opulence means they doesn't have any kinds of knowledge that Krishna is Bhagwan. They don't have this kinds of mentality that he is bigger, he is Bhagwan. Tumi kaun bade log, hami tumhare saman. Means Subal Shridham, they are saying like this. They have the friendship that they used to abuse each other. They climb on the shoulder of Krishna, and Krishna also take them. Krishna also climb himself on their shoulders. But so when Sugriv was hugging Lord Ramchandra, so he was thinking that maybe I shouldn't touch the feet of Lord Ram because he is Bhagwan. Maybe my feet touches the feet of Lord Ram. So he was having this kinds of Bhagavad Buddhi. So tell me any person in the Ramayana, even Bharat, Lakshmana, Sita also, she never given her remnants to Ram. And what to speak of Shabri? Shabri did not give her Uchisht to remnants to Lord Ram. So Ramayana is totally dependent on dignity, Maryada. रघुकुल रीत सदा चलाई प्राण जाए हाय पर वचन न जाए. But in the Golok Vrindavan, I am going to just finish little bit. Golok Vrindavan, Sakhyaras, it's a pure Sakhyaras is there. Kirtapurna Punja. Sukti Goswami Pad is saying, Maharaj Parikshit. So the person the Brahmavadi who are so much suffering for Brahmanand, they doesn't know actually. Said what is more than Brahmasuk, Brahmanand. Who are the devotees of Dasaras, they think that Bhagwan is Paradevta. So because they are attracted towards Maya, they think that Krishna is just like ordinary person, just like Duryodhana and all. They said, catch the Krishna, make him, tied him with the rope. And when Krishna manifested so much opulence is there, and then they folded their hands, and seeing that Bhishma Pitama, and they did the stuti.
देखो कितने सुंदर है। इसे कहते हैं इत्थं सदां ब्रह्म सुभान उत्तम तत्त्वं गतनं परदैवतनं माया सदा नरवागन सार्थं किसी पितृगुण न पंज। और ये सखाओं कैसे कौन सा जन्म की सुकृति।
And look at the sakhas, what kinds of sukritis they have.
देखो सखा सबको वाले पर इस काम में
So Sakha, they have the friendship with Krishna, and they are climbing on the shoulder of Krishna, and they are also climbing on the Krishna's shoulder.
और अलग खिलाते हैं।
So they are giving the remnants to Krishna. They are exchanging their remnants with each other.
ब्रह्मा के आगे जो लीला जो आप
So seeing that, maybe you have seen the Brahma Vimohan Leela. Brahma was so much Brahma Vimohan Leela. Bhagwan has to done the Brahma Vimohan Leela because he was thinking that Krishna is not Bhagwan, because he is taking the remnants of these sakhas. How he is treating, how he is behaving with the sakhas. So that's why Brahma was shocked. And if we talk about the Vatsalya Leela, Hey Gurudev, Shukdev Goswami Pad, Parikshit Maharaj is saying in this way, I am not able to understand that he is Parabrahma Bhagwan. What kind of fruit of Nanda Yashoda that they have become the parents of Krishna. And especially Mother Yashoda, she is feeding her breast milk to Parabrahma Gopal. So I am not able to understand. So what kind of beautiful, sweet Vatsalya Bhav is this? Everything is there. Chastisement, nourishment, everything is there. She is doing everything with Krishna. Just like Satyavrat Muni in the Padma Purana, he has written Damodarashtakam. Maybe you have just heard Damodarashtakam. And if he goes to Madhurya Ras, Krishna is saying himself. Brahma and other big devtas, who is saying Govinda Adi Purusham.
Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. भगवान प्रसन्न होते हैं। उसकी व्याख्या आदि करके जो है इसका टिप्पणी करके करो तो भगवान प्रसन्न होते हैं। गुरुदेव भी ऐसे था किंतु साधारण मीनिंग लोग गोविंद आदि पुरुषम हमें गोविंद ब्रजवासी लोग कहेंगे
Brajvasi never says that Govind is Adi Purush. In the separation mode, maybe it is possible that they are saying in the separation mode they are saying Govindam Adi Purusham. There is a Demon Sklin Leela. The Gopi, the second shloka. So Gopis are reciting the shloka in the separation mode. Oh, Govind, Krishna is Bhagwan. But in a general way, they never did this kinds of stuti. In the separation mode, sometimes Aishwarya comes. Aishwarya covered the Madhurya Ras. When we used to do this Govinda Adi Purusham, Govinda Marishi Purusham, so Gurudev used to say, what are you doing this Govinda Adi Purusham, Govinda Adi Purusham? If he doesn't have any kinds of opulences buddhi, Bhagavad buddhi towards Bhagwan, so people cannot understand the Krishna Leela. So they will think he is just ordinary person. No gopis, no Brajvasi, even a single Brajvasi, they were never ready to say Krishna Bhagwan. They have seen in the Vrindavan there are many kinds of opulences, the pastimes is done, but still they are not able to ready to think that Krishna is Bhagwan. In the topmost opulences in Vrindavan, but that opulences is covered with Madhurya. That's why Gopis are saying, Priya Yadi Mangari Kade Vatsan. If Gopi is giving me abusing, So this is more pleasant to me than the Vedas Stuti. I'm not so much getting pleasure by the stutis. But if gopis are teasing me and they are using me lumpert like this, cheater, so I love that. Krishna used to say that. And what Gopi used to say? Krishna said that I am brahmachari. Gopi said, "Hut, what kind of brahmachari you are? You are turak brahmachari, just like a horse. Turak brahmachari. Turak means horse. Horse like a horse brahmachari. So what kind of brahmachari? We never talk to ladies, and so this is mentioned in the scriptures. There are many rules and regulation for the brahmacharis in the scriptures. We should put on the trees, leaves on our body. We should stay in the forest. So in the Srimad Bhagavatam, it is mentioned for the brahmacharis. So Gopi said, yes, we know what kind of brahmachari you are. You are Turak brahmachari. So you are just like a Turak brahmachari. Ghoda. Horse. So horse is always keep and calm, but just like a horse, if he see the female horse, so he will go around, he will chase that female horse. So in the same way, gopis are saying, you are the Turang Brahmachari, you are Lampat, Chor. So gopis are using many kinds of bad words, but hearing these all kinds of words, Krishna is so much excited, so much eager. In the Brahmar Geet, Gurudev was reciting the shloka when how gopis are in the separation mode. In the separation mode, Srimati Radhika is saying, hey Brahmar, oh Bamalbi. She is thinking he is a messenger of Krishna. So Krishna has sent this black bee to pacify my mind. So Radhaji is saying, oh black bee, listen, Krishna is Dhurt. Your Prabhu, I knew for last 3 births. I knew his 3 births, last 3 births, that he is Dhurt, he is Chapti. So I tell you the story of Ram Avatar, incarnation of Ram. Radha is saying in this way. So in this world, many people used to pray the animals, but have you heard anybody pray the monkeys? Anybody is killing the monkey? Ram, he was very tusht. He was very rascal. He did follow the dignity. Radhaji is saying in this way. So you are boasting so much. Oh, Raghul Rita Sada Chalai. Ram is this, Ram is that. So, Radhaji is saying. Bali. They were 2 brothers, Sugriv and Bali. They were both brothers. So you make the friendship with one brother and you kill another one. After making the friendship with Sugriv, you kill Bali. Both brothers were quarreling each other. So what is the need to interrupt them? So if you wanted to kill the Bali, so you should kill him according to Shastra. You should face him, but you killed him from behind side. And you told to Sugriv, you just both fights and I will kill Bali from backside in a hidden way. So Bali has so much power that if somebody will come to him, so he will get the half power of that person. So whatever the power he has, but half power he will get from the opposite party. Once Ravan came and asked to Bali that Yudh, please fight with me. So Bali was doing that Samista Vistuti. So Bali said, just wait 2 minutes. Wait 2 minutes, I will fight with you. So he was Raman was again and again criticizing him. So Bali pick up the Ravan in his arms. So in his arms, and he was doing his stuti, Om Surya Nama. So when he when he catch him in his arms, so little bit when he was doing the offering to Surya Bhagavan, Om Surya Namah, so little bit space he get and Ravan ran away from
और
there.
अपने धर्म के पड़ोस
So in this way Radhika is saying, you are saying the Ram is Bhagwan, but he is not following his dharma.
और बाली ने इतने पिटाई किया
So Bali and Sugriv, they were fighting each other, and Bali beat the Sugriv so much.
प्राण बच गए
So anyhow he left his pran and came to Ram, and he said, Ram, you gave me promise that I will kill the Bali, but now you didn't keep your word.
तुम्हें न बनना
So just because of you I have been beaten so much.
अच्छा जुआ लगाओ
So Bali said, the Ramchandra said, because you both brother look like same, that's why I was not unable to recognize that who both of you. So what happened after some time? Bhagwan Lord Ram gave his garland to Sugriv. So that's why they can. So I can recognize those. So Sugriv went to Bali and he was calling, Bali, come out, I would like to fight with you. So Bali came and they started fighting, and when they were fighting each other, so Lord Ram killed the Bali from backside. So is it in a hidden way? Is it the Riti of Raghukul? Is it the culture of Raghukul? No, the same Krishna came in the form of Ram, and he killed the Bali in a very hidden way, in a very cheating way. And I'm also telling you another katha of Ram incarnation. Ramchandra used to say to himself that I am Strichit, I doesn't have any kinds of calm vikar in my heart. You said that I am Strijit, and he make the sannyasi ways. So what is the need to carry weapons, the arrow and bow to the sadhu, and you also carrying your lady with you in forest? Lady should be stay at home, but you are carrying your lady with you into the forest, and you are keeping lady with you. So how you can say that you are so much renounced person? You should stay. Or in the scripture it is said, if somebody should not stay with his sister, with his mother in alone in a isolated places, but you are carrying your wife with you and wandering here and there in the forest. And Bhagwan Ramchandra had beautiful form also. So seeing the beautiful form, there is a lady, Supankha, she was so much attracted towards him. So it is spontaneous. If there is a beautiful or handsome boy, so they attracted towards him. This is spontaneous. And Supankha came when he saw the beautiful form of Lord Ram, she was attracted towards him. And seeing them, he was seeing that Lord Ramchandra, she was so much attracted, and she also make a beautiful form. And so she said to Lord Ram, so you are so handsome, I am so beautiful, so we should get marry each other. Bhagwan Ramchandra said, no, I am one woman man only, I am Vanvasi. I cannot get married with you because I am Vanvasi and I am one woman man. I have a wife also, so that's why I cannot marry with you. So then he referred Supankha to Lakshman, and Lakshman came. Then Lakshman said, oh, why you would like to get married with me? Because I am the servant of Lord Ram. If you get married with me, so you will be servant. So Lakshman is also so beautiful, handsome like Lord Ram. So Supankha came to Lakshman, and Lakshman is also very clever. He said that I am servant, and if you get married with me, so you will be servant, maid servant. So that's why you are the princess, and if you get married with me, so you have to be slave. So Supankha said, I cannot be slave. Then she came. So just like a football, we are playing with the football, we are kicking here and there. In the same way, sometimes Lord Ramchandra referred Supankha to Lakshman, and Lakshman referring Supankha to Ram. So in this way, Ramchandra said, "Look at my wife; she is there." So Suparnika said, "I am going to eat her. I am going to eat her if she is our wife." So Sita ji was so much scared, and Lord Ramchandra just indicated to Lakshman and indicated Lakshman. Lakshman just cut it the nose and ear of Suparnika. Maybe you all know this story. Who cut the nose and ear of a lady? So now I am going to stop. Just 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. So who will speak this katha and are not getting pleasure? In the Vamandev avatar, I am just telling you the katha of Vamandev avatar.
प्रभु कृष्ण की और ये कथा 3 जन्म के मतलब एक राम अवतार की कथा और एक बलि महाराज की
Vaman avatar katha. There are 3 words katha. He showed his little feet, and Bali Maharaj said, "I am Brahmanvara. I don't have any kinds of greed." So his feet were so small. And he asked for 3-step bhumi, and Bali Maharaj give them the permission, and Vaman Bhagwan he got the Trivikram form, so huge form. So by 1 feet he has measured all the land, second to the Swarga, and third he said that where should I put my 3rd step? So Bali Maharaj said very simply, you put your feet on my head. You are the Bhagwan himself. So you have given me everything, so please put your feet on my head. So send him to Vaman Bhagwan send him to Sutalok. So seeing that her Ratmala, that he is very cheater, Vaman Bhagwan is very cheater, so that's why. So this is the Putna Moksha Leela is connected with this. So I was thinking, seeing his beautiful form, I was thinking that I will feed her my breast milk to her. But because he is cheated with my father, so that's why if he will be my son, then I will put the poison on my breast so that he will die. So in this way, there are many kinds of cheating kathas of your Prabhu. So in this way, she is saying. So Brahman said, the black beast said that if he is so much cheater, so why are you describing his katha again and again? So Radha is saying, oh, this is my fault. This is my fault that again and I cannot forget his katha. He is so attractive that I cannot forget him. So who is eager so much to hearing this katha? Parikshit Maharaj. So Krishna was so much eager. So Krishna himself came in the form of black bee, and he was so much eager to hear all this katha. That's why it is saying Priyadi man kare bhatsan. So now I am stopping my katha here. Vancha Kalpataru. जय 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 श्री राधे।